So, sa una, sa toilet, harapasan sa tunay. Pero nowadays, sa toilet, harapasan sa tunay. Pero kung sa sabwa, may hindi outside. Especially if the toilet is inside your house or your home. Right? Are you taking things without permission? Ay nanay nyo, sa magulang nyo. Say for example, you have the phone, a phone, side. Gabi na gas lang, pagmasok ko sa isa't isa. Diba? Nowadays, kaya ko sa isa't isa may mga side na. Unlike before, may isang side sa life. Mga personal na mga side. If you want to borrow personal things of your sister, of your sibling, you have to ask. And then, you have to return it to the proper place as well. Ang ginagawa isa, magbabayaran ninyo, bakit ako sa pinagir ang maray mo? Ginagawa mo, papabayaan mo na. Kaya ako sa pinagir, kaya so observe your proper communicate if you are at home. But it should be done first at home. Paano madala yung basta sa sakwa? Nakulang ka mo, say for example, makulang ka mo, kulang na, and then after that, you have to return it in the proper place. If you want to borrow the lotion of your sister, you ask. Mga lotion ka lang yung state. Okay? Perfume. Nagiging sanay sa perfume. Kung ngayon kayo, exactly, kasi balik sa proper place. Dahil kung ito mo, ay hindi proper indicator. So remember, that you can also outside. You do not know later, when you guide to your boarding house, ito yung ibang kilala, hindi ko ba. Alright. So at school, what's your proper etiquette at school? You should come in your classes and be sure you have studied your lesson before entering the classroom. Okay? And then from the guard, that is a guardian, you have to wear your IDs. You have to wear your proper uniform. Hindi makabalis dito sa guard kung may isang ID, may isang uniform. And the instruction is you have to use your proper attire, your proper uniform, and then you have to wear your IDs. Then we have our flag ceremony here. Anong oras pa po nag-report? Yan? 6:30. So you should be here before 6:30. So that you can attend the flag ceremony. I do not know in other countries what is flag ceremony. So they do it. Mga organized for the we have there, flag ceremony. But sa kami, I observe that. That's what it is. Okay. And then inside the school campus now, you have to respect each other. Respect teachers. Respect the people in the office. Mas hindi ito mo kami sa Mr. Robaton na galing. Hindi ko nang kilala. Do you know who is Mr. Robaton? Kasi nga, bago na ito si Mr. Robaton, ay hindi ko nang kilala. You should know that. Respect your classmates. Respect your classmates. Okay. The classroom is like your house. You have to ask permission if you want to borrow something from your classmates. Then return it properly as well. Kaya rin ko pa isang mulang pagkawa na balimutan. Bukas ang kinulaman. Parihasin ang papel. Magulaman na ikaw sa papel. Wala, pwede na eh. Pwede kang buhay na na eh, di ba? Kung pwede lang, pwede lang yung mga 140 to 100. You have to return it properly also. Kaya rin pa-observe ko, yan na tinatakalan ko ba? Talaga na hindi. It is also like home. It's like home. You kung di pa ito close out mo, ito ang 5,000.